Hi, my name is Builderall, and I just want to thank you so very much for clicking on my video. And the reason that I've called this channel Millionaire by 60 is obviously because no, I'm not 60 quite yet. I'm actually 57. But what I've discovered is there are so many people out there in their 30s, in their 40s, their 50s. They're looking for something new. I've met that stage in my life. I've been working as a software trainer for the last 20 years. I want to be home more. I want to relax more. There's a lot of adventures that I want to do. So I want to start working more from home, and I've discovered the perfect tool. I've partnered up with an incredible lady out of Florida. Her name is Barbie. And I'm going to go ahead and let her explain all the benefits of joining my team and all the bonuses that you're going to get when you sign up with me. There'll be a link on the description for a 7-day trial, and you'll be able to look at it and check it out. If you have any questions, you'll be able to get onto our Facebook support team, and I look forward to speaking with you after the video.
With RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bonuses, and yes, more bonuses. If you are here because you want to know what bonuses I have in store for you when you partner with Team Rise inside of the Builderall Business Partner Program on a business plan, then keep on watching, because I am going to take you and give you a little bit of a preview inside of our team training site, inside of our Facebook group, and some other cool things that you are going to have access to when you partner with either me or with anyone on Team Rise. I consider each and every one of my partners inside of Team Rise as an integral part of our team. So if you see someone out there that's also with Team Rise and they're in Builderall, you go ask them to get the bonuses, because you know what, you may be attracted to, you may have more in common with one of my teammates over myself, and maybe you're doing a little research and you find out that someone else is with Team Rise. So whether you sign up with me or whether you sign up with one of my Team Rise partners, I am super duper happy to have you. So you will also get access to our bonuses. But okay, so right now, if you are in the research phase and you are looking to partner with me personally, Barbie Figueroa, and you would like to learn more about what bonuses you'll be receiving once you sign up on the business partner plan, then keep on to start attracting people that want to sign up with you, okay? But that being said, my partners have the ability to share this with their potential new partners, and you can plug people into our training site. This is yours as well, and so you will get private access to our team training site once you activate a business plan inside of Builderall with myself or anyone on Team Rise. So if they're with Team Rise, you will have access to this too, okay? So basically, I just want to take you a little bit, and by the way, this will continue to grow over time because I just love teaching and I love creating things. Remember, I was had my agency, and I was doing funnels for people. I've done lead converting website design. So as my team grows and as my income grows, I actually have more time to create, and I just love creating funnels for my team to use. And I also create funnels to help them brand themselves, which is huge if you want to increase your lead conversion. So if you want access to these bonuses, then all you have to do is activate a business plan with myself, and I will have links right below the description box so that you can do that, okay? So you'll get access to, these are just some of the courses, and again, it's growing, as time goes on, but you'll get access to a 7-day getting started marketing bootcamp where I teach you attraction marketing. I'll go ahead and open these up so you can kind of have an idea what's in here. Email marketing 101, share funnels. Actually, I have more share funnels. I have this share funnel. This is a follow-up funnel, and this is an actual affiliate marketing for beginners giveaway funnel. This is a funnel I built for my partners, for them to give away a free marketing course that brands them. Because I'm a firm believer in, I don't want this to be about me. I don't want people to brand me. The key to increasing conversions is to brand yourself and to, become that authority in your niche. Now, of course, you can leverage things that already exist if you're brand new and you're kind of shy about putting yourself out there in the very beginning. But ultimately, if you want to build a big business, and you want to stand out, then you will at some point need to brand yourself as, a marketer online. Okay. So I have actually, these are like 3 major share funnels that I have, and I'll go through them really quickly in a minute. And then I've got some extra lead generation and traffic resources. So let me just go ahead and open this up so you can have an idea of what's inside our 7-day boot camp. So I've got basically, how to start achieving your goals, different doorways into Builderall, promoting on social media, do's and don'ts, how to sponsor your first 3 partners, building an invitation funnel, basic marketing strategies, my daily method of operation. I've got some bonus video marketing keyword strategy basics. I've got my solo ad providers in here. I've got email swipe files in here. All right, so there you have it. Those are the bonuses. And like I said before, they are growing as the team grows and as our mission grows. So, I love building funnels, and I love teaching my teammates how to use funnels to make money online and to brand themselves and create a leveraged business. So if you want to be a part of Team Rise, if you see yourself fitting in and you want to align with a team that will actually teach you and support the growth of your business while you build the Builderall business, then all you have to do is click on the link right below this video. And as a bonus, I am going to hook you up with a 7-day free trial of Builderall when you enter your name and email inside of the website, where you'll find in the links in the description box. Okay, so make sure to check that out. There is no obligation, no credit card required. You can hop inside and get a 7-day free trial of Builderall. And and once you activate your business plan, you will be part of Team Rise officially, and you will get access to all the training, all the resources, plus group coaching. And I'm also working on some automated webinars to help my partners grow their business as well. So you will get access to all of that for free once you are partnered with us. So anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you again so much for watching my video. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to hit the notification bell, because I also do videos that teach you how to build your business online. If you want to use Builderall as a tool to do that, that is awesome. But I also do branding videos and training videos and other videos to help encourage you to build a business online that supports a life you love. So this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching.
All right, so there you have it. That was my good friend Barbie from Florida, and now you understand the reason I picked her to be my mentor. 20 years of software training experience. I'm going to be able to help you to get to where you want to be, and I want you to succeed. That's my goal. So again, I need you to click on the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And also click on the bell, and I'll be posting new videos every 2 or 3 days, and be able to keep everybody updated on how things are going. And I want to hear from you, so please comment. Please have a blessed day, and I look forward to hearing from you, and to the next video.